Living in Tahoe. Today, we are at the Diamond Peak Ski Resort. It is Labor Day weekend. We're gonna go for a hike because living in Tahoe is about the outdoor lifestyle, the entertainment, the great food, just living a great life in a tax-friendly state. So let me introduce myself. I am Tahoe Tony Tuoto, the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate in the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. And today we're at Diamond Peak Ski Resort in Incline Village. I can see Lake Tahoe right there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hike up to Snowflake Lodge. It's a moderate hike. It is all uphill, about 700 feet in elevation. It's about 2.5 miles round trip. We're gonna go up to Snowflake Lodge, some beautiful panoramic lake views. And if I was visiting Tahoe, I would have brought myself a lunch. We'll have a beautiful picnic up there. But today, we're just gonna hike up, take some great photos. It's a great hike. It's easy to get to. We park right at the Diamond Peak Ski Resort parking lot. We're at the base lodge. We're gonna hike up to Snowflake Lodge and enjoy the views. Let's go check it out. So the trailhead's real easy to find. I've got sunscreen on, I've got my water. We're gonna just hike up there. It should be a great day for it. It's about 71 degrees, perfect hiking weather. So the first few minutes of the climb are the most difficult here, but I wanted to show you when we come up here, we're gonna turn to the right and we'll start going up switchbacks now, so it won't be nearly as steep. So if you get on this hike, you're like, what were you thinking, Tahoe Tony? This isn't moderate. The hardest part is in the beginning, and then it becomes more moderate. So let's head on up to a lodge and take in those amazing views. Snowflake Lodge, here we are, we made it. Let's go check out these amazing views. Wow, that's pretty amazing. Stunning. So, remember when I talked to you about the bottom, people bring food up here and have a picnic? That sounds really good right now. I really wish I would have done that, because what a better place is to have a little picnic. Sit out here, you can bring some drinks and some food. Just make sure you pack out what you bring in, but what a beautiful spot. We've got Mount Rose over there, Tulac, Emerald Bay is over there. You can see where Sand Harbor is. See all the way to South Lake Tahoe. Olympic Valley, Emerald Bay, or Crystal Bay. What an amazing view. Another great day in Tahoe. It took us about 30 minutes to get up here. It's a moderate to hard hike. It's steeper in the middle, then you get on the switchbacks and it's beautiful. And then you get this gorgeous panoramic lake view. I'm excited because I'm going out to dinner tonight with some friends at one of our favorite restaurants, and I can order whatever I want now because I just did this hike. So that's one of the best things about a hot Tahoe, is you get to go recreate during the day and burn off a lot of calories. So when you go out at night, you can eat whatever you want. It's a great situation. So this is the hike we did today. We started out here in the parking lot. This is the Diamond Peak Ski Resort map. So it's kind of funny in the summertime, it just looks so different and interesting I don't want to say weird, but like without snow, a snow resort looks interesting. Anyway, so here's where we started. We were at 6,700 feet. We took this yellow trail here, and it's a nice wide road, so it's easy. It's not a lot of rocks and stuff to tumble on, so pretty easy in that sense. And then we ended up here at Snowflake Lodge, 7,400 feet. This is where we had those killer views. This is where I wish I would have brought a picnic lunch, because it would have tasted so good. Something about when you're hiking, the food tastes so good. So a great hike. This is a great mountain for Diamond Peak. This is for Incline Village residents, and it's also open to the public. But if you're a resident, you get a discount there. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed making it. I love hiking and living in Tahoe. It's one of the best things in the whole wide world in my mind. And if you want to move to Tahoe, go ahead and reach out to me. My team and I love getting messages, phone calls, and emails from people just like you want to make the move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada. So reach out to us, and I guarantee your move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada will be the best real estate experience you've ever had. So I'm Tahoe Tony Tuoto, the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate. I've been doing this for 26 years, helping people move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada to enjoy the great lifestyle and the great tax savings, and it's a great experience.